I'm Sergio Tavares and I run SICKO Ink Tattoos here in Caleta. I just felt curious about how a needle could create art. I've always been into art, graffiti, drawing. Eventually I ended up trying it and discovered that I had talent for it. The process starts with me gathering as much information as I can to perform the best tattoo in your preference, where you want it, how big, what style, in color, in black and grey, and then we work from there. Get the best products in the market, the best needles, the best inks. I only use disposable. The only thing I keep is the machines. There's no cross-contamination whatsoever. I challenge myself in every tattoo, and every single line that I do, every shading. As you get more into it, you find out that there are artists that replicate what you intend to reach. My mentor originally was Steve Kelly, that used to have a shop here, and I went to a tattoo school at the end, and then just evolved from there. Come and see me to share some of my art.